Wait, what? Hey, what happened? Okay, I just won that. I don't even know what I did, but I won. Let's get the wheelchair man. Let's get the wheelchair man. Come on. Let go. Let go. How do I get out of here? Give me, come on. Come on. I can't move my butt. Ah! The spear pierced my buttocks. That wasn't pretty. Come on. I'm having a difficult time moving my big fat butt. There we go. It took my head off. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You got this. You got this. Come on. Get off of this polka dot J. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Come on. Move your butt. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. I made it to the bottom. You gotta give me the win for at least making it to the bottom. I wasn't in one piece, but I made it to the bottom. Come on. Come on, you little fat bastard. Your legs may be broken, but you can move your torso. Come on. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, no! I just killed my wife, I'm so sorry. And I just died myself. And I'm moving. Oh, just finish me off, why don't you? Just go ahead and finish me off. In my misery. Just kill me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What just happened? Here we go! My head just fell off, and my son is dead, and I'm in limbo. Oh, that was not pretty. Okay, baby steps, baby steps, baby steps, baby steps! Baby steps. Here we go. We're gonna go. We're going. Oh, I knew that was coming and there was nothing I could do about it. I should go faster. Got it. Oh, yes! Yes, bitch! Oh, God. We're in Pennywise Street. Jackson Street. Where's Pennywise? Where's Penny? Oh, there's Pennywise! Okay, just carefully. Don't kill yourself. Okay. What? There goes my son. I'm sorry. There's a balloon. I'm just gonna take my son. Don't kill me, Pennywise. Just take my son. I'm dragging him to you. Oh, well, never mind. I'm just gonna leave him behind. It doesn't matter. Oh, there's Pennywise again. Hey, how are you? Oh. No! No! No!
Oh, God.
Oh, God is right. But I still won. I still won. We're going to space, baby. Everybody hold on tight. Commence countdown. Wait, please. What do you mean wait? What do I gotta wait for? I don't want to die. I think I'm already dead. But I still made it to space. Yeah. I hate the pogo man. I just broke my pogo stick. Damn it. Zombies everywhere. We don't want to die from these zombies. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, there's zombies. Oh, he's stuck to my thingamabob. Oh, they're in it. And I won. Oh, they're chasing me. The zombies are chasing me. Oh, what did I just do? I just set off some landmines. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? I'm hopping. I'm hip-hopping. I'm hip-hopping all over this town. And I won.